Welcome to Glowbom. In this video we will be creating a French learning app. Let's create 3 separate quizzes and then mix them into a lovely app. Let's make the first quiz. Choose quiz and enter the name of your project. Press the pencil button to open the editor. Enter your texts and add answer options. To add a voice or change the color of the application, go to the settings. This is how you can randomize the questions. From now on, they will appear in random order.
Le signe.
Stork, sparrow, swan.
Great. Now let's create a second quiz.
Le ciel.
Sky, rain, mountain.
Now let's make the third quiz.
Le lait.
Butter, milk, ice cream.
Excellent. Now let's combine these 3 parts using the Glowbom mix tool.
La cannelle.
Cinnamon, ginger, vanilla.
Now let's deploy our web application to a hosting. You can use any hosting you like. For this app, we use Netlify. Let's export the data file in source code. Now let's put the data file in the assets folder. Next, let's change the icon. You just need to drag and drop your icon files into this folder. Finally, let's drag the web build folder to Netlify. Alright, there we have it. Now let's open the link and test our app.
Le nuage.
Cloud, sea, desert.
Le cygne.
Stork, sparrow, swan.
Le raton laveur.
Fox, raccoon, squirrel.
L'hérisson.
Deer, hare, hedgehog.
The next step is to add the app icon to the home screen. To do this, go to the browser on the phone, open the app link, press share, and add to home screen. Here you can change the app name. Great, now your web app looks exactly like a mobile app.
Le chien.
Frog, dog, horse.
L'écureuil.
Rabbit, squirrel, wolf.
Le lapin.
Parrot, rabbit, pig.
Thank you for watching the video, and let us know if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck building your app. See you on glowbom.com. Take care.